So welcome back to SM Spoken English Academy. Today we are here. Today we are at the Amtala. As you know that we have started a new series, a ground reporting series, where we have to visit different places. We have to report from that particular location, and students would be there to explain their thoughts and their expression and everything, whatever they think about that particular issue, that particular topic, that particular subject, they would be explaining. So as you can see right here, we came to this particular place. Right now we are at the Amtala and we chose a particular location. As you can see, this is a petrol pump. This is a local petrol pump, HP petrol pump. Right now we are here. And today's topic, first let me introduce today's topic, that what is the topic that we have actually chosen today. And the topic is very sentimental. Today, as you all know that we, SM Spoken English Academy, we are from SM Spoken English Academy, and we actually do conduct our classes, especially in Amtala. In Amtala, we have one branch only, and that is Amtala, that is the main branch. So in Amtala, we have been facing many problems. We have been struggling through many problems. We have been struggling through many difficulties in our life. So as a common man, as a common citizen of this particular nation, we have to talk about the problems, we have to talk about the solution. So to discuss that, today we came here to talk about the problems of Amtala and what kind of problem we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss each and every problem, whether it is infrastructure, whether it is traffic jam, whether it is healthcare, whether it is unemployment. Each and every problem will be discussed. And the most important and the most attractive thing of this particular activity is that students, the young minds, the future generation of this country, they would be expressing, they would be talking about this subject. So let me go back to each and every students and ask them what they actually think about this issue. Okay, now Sanjana, I would like to ask you one simple thing. So we have been living in this city, the city of Amtala, for so many years. So as a student or as a permanent resident of this particular area, what is the number one problem that you face every day?
Sir, I face 2 or 3 problems, and the first problem is potholes in road breaking.
Okay.
So as a student, I use the road regularly. I came to school, to tuition. For that, when I come here, traffic also. And for that, I am very stressed.
Ashraful, I would like to ask you one problem. We all face the one single problem, traffic jam in Amtala. Especially Amtala is famous for traffic jam. So how does traffic jam is actually affecting your life?
Actually, sir, we all a student.
Yeah.
That's why we all every day go to our school. And when we all going our school, cannot go our school time because of traffic problem.
He explained that one of the biggest problem that most of the students face is the problem of traffic jam, and sometimes it's not even daily school routine classes. Sometimes it is vital for us. Maybe it could be exam. Maybe we need to attend some event on time, but because of the traffic jam, we face a huge problem. We can't even get there on time, and that affect our life so negatively. So that's really one of the biggest problems that we have to take consider, that traffic problem is one of the biggest problem of our area. Why this problem happens? He said that because of the narrow road, everything. So is there any other reason that traffic jams happens regularly in our area? What are the other reasons?
Yeah, there are so many points. That's why we face traffic jam. When we see Amtala, in front of any shop, there are some people stand her bike or even car.
Yes.
That's why we face so many problems. And when we talk about other problem we face, here we can see lots of garbage here and there. When we compare in our panchayat area to other municipal area, they are more better than us.
Yes.
Because they clear their road every day. At least one time in a week.
Yeah, definitely.
But when we see Amtala, there are so many garbage here and there. We don't have any proper rule to clean this garbage.
Why Amtala is so much, if you look from outside, if you are coming from other states and you are looking at Amtala. Amtala becomes very much messy, messy, very much dirty. So why Amtala is becoming dirtier day by day?
There are so many reasons. First of all, this is fault of people because we are not understand how much garbage we put on road area, and we don't clean it.
Then how we can deal with this problem? How we can actually solve this particular garbage problem in our area?
So as we all know that Amtala is famous for so many reasons, and one of the reason is for garbage. But if we want to overcome this problem, so we have to take so many actions, like we can keep the dustbin beside the road, and if we follow the rules that we have to throw the plastic or whatever we are using, whatever we are thrown the road, we have to keep these particular things into this dustbin, and I think that can be one thing that if we follow this,
Yes,
so
if we follow this,
can
then
overcome.
this problem can be solved. Because we are talking about the traffic problem, traffic congestion. So I just want to know, is that a reason that people are not following traffic rules properly? That's why this problem are existing. Do you think that people are not following traffic rules in our area?
Yes, sir. Obviously, people are not following the rules. Traffic jam is the biggest problem in our area, and it's created by the normal people, and they don't follow the rules. They don't follow the traffic rules, and they're doing the illegal parking. And if you can see in the roads in Amtala, you see that many bikes and cycles are parked in there, and that's why not only cars, also the normal people can't walk there.
So right now, Abhijit, I would like to know that we all the youth of this area, and for youth, one of the best, most important reason of our life is career. What do you think about the places that we kind of opportunity we have after completing our education, after completing graduation? Do you think is there enough opportunity to grab in this area?
As an educated person in this Amtala area, it is too hard to crack a good quality job, a good quality to live a good quality life. Because there is no companies, factories, and nothing. There is nothing. And also our, as you know, our area is Panchayat area, and there is traffic problem, there is garbage problem, there is lot of problem. I mean, also there is healthcare also problem. Another problem. If we want to crack a good quality job, then we have to go outside.
Unemployment. When a student become unemployed, what kind of feelings he or she actually has in his mind? How does he live his life without having a job?
Unemployment mean a person who actually study, he have degree, but he don't get a job. So in that time, he or she apply a lot of time for a job, but when he don't get the job, he actually feel a lot of pressure, not only for family, in society. Everyone treat them that he is nothing.
So you have listened all our students as they have explained their concerns, they have explained their thoughts, they have explained everything, and you would come to know that these particular problems are really the problem. These particular problems is really stressing us. And how can we solve this problem? How can we overcome that problem? That is a matter of discussion. But overall, that is one thing that we have to understand, that we are from SM Spoken English Academy, where students do not learn some basic things like basic grammar, basic concept of English language. Rather, our students need to speak in real environment. So that's why we have planned today's activity, and you already know that because we already started our series, our ground reporting series, where students are performing as a great explainer, where they are explaining some topics, something in your own way. And I think this is the most important thing, and this is the most vital thing that we have to understand. But many times we forget that, many times we don't even recognize that kind of activity. Rather, we try to say that if there is a student who only studies in English medium schools, they will be only able to speak in English. But the people who studies in Bengali medium schools, they don't have any rights, they don't have the ability, the talent, and the skills to speak in English. But that is totally myth. They are all from Bengali medium students, and so you have watched that how much confident they are. At least because this is a public places, as you can see, we are standing in a middle of this city, and where lots of people are out there. They are watching them. They are actually noticing them. Still, they are not feeling nervous. Still, they are not feeling fear. Maybe they have this kind of emotions, but still they are not they are not getting stopped. They are keep going, and this how we have built the confidence among our students. Our student has every single situation where they can develop their confidence, where they can develop their way of speaking skills. This is the one of the vital part, because we cannot learn everything in a classroom environment. We cannot learn we cannot get the confidence in a classroom only. So that's why we have to get outside of this a class environment. We have to go outside. We have to speak outside. We have to speak in a real environment, to be confident, to be that kind of effective speaker. So that's all I wanted to say. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end.